Today in our video, we will tell you about 2 fertilizers that help a peace lily plant to grow well and stay healthy. By using these fertilizers, your peace lily can grow well and produce many beautiful flowers during the flowering season. If you also grow a peace lily plant at your home and want better growth and more flowers, then watch this video till the end. Just try these 2 fertilizers as we are showing in this video. First, we will remove a small amount of soil from the corner of the peace lily pot. While removing the soil, if you use any tool, make sure that the plant roots should not damage. By keeping this in mind, we will remove a little soil from all sides of the plant and collect it in one place, just like we have done here. After that, we will take these 2 fertilizers. The first fertilizer is neem cake powder. It is made from neem fruit. The biggest benefit of this fertilizer is that it provides NPK nutrients to the plant. It also works as an organic pesticide which helps protect the plant from insect attack. The second fertilizer is bone meal powder. The benefit of this fertilizer is that it provides a good amount of phosphorus, which is very important for flowering plants. Phosphorus helps the plant to grow healthy and beautiful flowers. So these are the 2 fertilizers that help boost the growth and flowering of the peace lily plant. We should give these fertilizers to our peace lily at the end of the winter season so that it can produce many flowers during the flowering season. Now we will mix both fertilizers into the soil just like we are doing here. After mixing, we will put this soil back into the pot around the peace lily plant the same way it was before. After this, we will water the peace lily plant properly. Whenever the top layer of the soil looks dry, we will water the plant again. By following this method, your peace lily plant will produce more flowers during the whole flowering season. So friends, we hope you liked this information. For more useful tips like this, you can subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or need related information, you can write in the comments. We will try to reply as soon as possible and build a good connection with you. Thank you and have a nice day.